Meaning of enlightened.
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 Enlightened. Enlightened refers to the state of being spiritually or intellectually aware and knowledgeable, having a deep understanding of the world and oneself. It is characterized by heightened consciousness, a shift toward greater wisdom, and a sense of profound liberation from ignorance and confusion. The result of enlightenment can include a deep sense of inner peace, clarity, and self-awareness. One may experience a greater sense of compassion and love for others, as well as a stronger connection to nature and the universe. Overall, enlightenment is a transformative experience that leads to a more fulfilling and enriched life.